Hey everyone, welcome to the Dimidrone channel, and today we're visiting one of the most magnificent lighthouses in Estonia, called Sõrve Lighthouse. Lighthouse is located on the Saaremaa island on the west part of Estonia. The construction of the first lighthouse on Sõrve peninsula on the island of Saaremaa started in 1646. The initial timber structure was replaced with a stone building in 1650, designed by Heinrich Stegeling. The lighthouse was in private possession until 1737, after which it was managed by the state. The rectangular structure was reconstructed in 1770 and built higher in 1807. A temporary wooden structure was built in 1863, which served during the reconstruction of the 35 meters lighthouse and its catoptric apparatus. The lighthouse survived World War I, although the wooden ceilings and the staircase were gutted by fire. Unfortunately, in 1944 the whole structure was destroyed. A temporary octahedral wooden tower was constructed in 1949, which served until 1960, when it was replaced by the current 52 meters high reinforced concrete conical lighthouse. The 19th century keeper's house, cellar, sauna and a few 20th century warehouses have survived to this day. Sõrve Lighthouse is among the tallest of its kind in Estonia and stands out with its utilitarian simplicity and slenderness. That's it for today, lads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Keep traveling and discover new locations. Have a great day.